In this video, we're going to show you how to fix iPhone if it's not receiving any email. So we're going to show you a few ways. And the first way is just to manually refresh your email. So the first step is open the Mail app on your iPhone and swipe down from the top to refresh the inbox. And if your connection is good, it's going to refresh and you're going to get mail again. The second one is to enable mobile data access. So this is from your provider. So the first step is to open Settings app on your iPhone. Next is then scroll down until you hit Mail and then tap on it. Next step is to enable the mobile data toggle from the following menu. Tap on it, it's going to be enabled. The next step is just to remove your account and then log in again. So the first thing you can do is open the Settings app again on your iPhone and then scroll down until you see Mail. Next step is select Accounts. Then tap a relevant account that you're using. After that, select Delete Account and confirm your decision. Next step is return the accounts and select Add Account. After that, just enter your login information again and you're going to be sorted out. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. See you in the next video.